I'm Shane Smith with Sea Hero, and we're going to talk about the VR12, the Vertical Rescue 12 feet. So, what happens with this rescue pole? When you get it, this is what you're looking at. That's one, that's the hoop. Okay, and then you've got two 6-foot poles, and then you've got this 2-inch web strap with a lifting triangle and a slide buckle. So we'll go through this real quick, but the essentials, what's really happening is you're putting this on some body, okay? You're using the hoop to push this buckle like this, okay? Because you're holding back on this triangle with your lift line that's pre-connected. This can't back out. So you're pushing the whole time with that pole, pushing this in. And where, and that's it. So with the pole, the hoop, you've got these snaps that stay down here, those are connected. You've got two per side rubber blocks that hold this 2-inch strap. And what it does is, they're like pinch blocks. So you're going to put that line in there, and you really want to get it in there and get it to where it holds. The buckle will fit right in here. And then your poles connect, and that's that. This design is real strong. So it's like a shepherd's hook. And you can really get in there, and what I try to say is the easiest to guys is to bring the body closest to you, stabilize it, and then run in there. You're going to go over, you're going to go over an arm, bam, you're going to come down, then back up. Once you get where you're going, you're going to come up under the arms, hold it against the back. You're going to take your line, hold your line, and then you're going to push this whole pole, and that strap will get on the person. Then you're going to drop this. The hoop and the poles all filled with foam so they float. The one thing about this that you get really, with training and practice at the dock, it gets a little easier, is you want to be careful with these side pieces, because they are designed to let the web strap go, but you don't want to be brushing up against and try to get it to come out of there too early. So let's go ahead and put that together. So there's no top or bottom on that unit. It just snaps in like this. Okay, I think it's easiest to thread one at the top or the bottom. If you put it in here like this, you can see, you put it in, you can go like that, or you can fold it back. All right, same down here. Whichever is easiest. That goes tight. It's the same thing over here. This goes in like this, and then we're going to go back like that. Okay, so now you can see that's all loaded. This just fits in here like this. That's it, it's loaded. Okay? But you can also see that this is inside these. You don't want to do that. You want it in there so it really grips it. And they're rubber, it's rubber, so it's not going to hurt anything. So that's that on that. Okay? These guys are all labeled. So it's connect the dots. Put the pin together. At the end of the line on this one, it's got a hole. That's for your tether. So if you want to add one, highly recommend it. So this is your V cleat, your jam cleat. Essentially, what's going to happen with that? The line will be, the hook will be in here. It'll come back and jam in here. So when you go to do this, you're doing this motion like this. That line is connected and it's out of your way. When you're going to make your move, you've got it under the arms, held to the back. You take the line out and push the pole to the person. You're pushing that slide buckle. And you back this off a little bit to release this, drop it. Then you're going to come over here and you're going to pull the line, all the slack, reel it up, bring it to the boat. We're going to put all of it together in such an exciting way. Here we go. These just basically come out like this. So we're going 1 to 1. Line up the hole. Boom. Okay? We're halfway there. This guy goes in here like this. Gets pinned. Line up the holes. And pin it. Line up the holes and pin it. Now, the other thing you want to do is this V cleat. This is up. This is in line with this the push and the triangle situation. So now break this down of how it really looks is you would take your line off like this. It's bundled up. This is deployed. You're ready for action. Okay? The line goes into this and it comes back here like this. Now you can put a little bit of tension on that. You can see by putting a little tension, it tightened that up. That stays completely out of your way now. So you are connected. You're connected and it's out of your way. Okay? So when you go to use this, you put it on the person, up under both arms, put the back of this against their back. You feel good about it. Okay? You're going to take this line out, hold the line, and push the pole. Okay? So when you're pushing the pole, that's what you're doing. Just like that. And it's really just that simple. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put all of it together in a rescue scenario and see what we come up with.